It's 2025 and you're still searching for that one digital product idea that could take off on Etsy. What if I tell you there's a simple AI strategy to create low competition products that sell fast and bring in serious revenue? In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to design and sell your first digital product, and even show you how to double your income by turning it into a physical product with print on demand. And to make things easier, I'll also share a link to 100 AI prompts you can start using today to create your first product in minutes. So let's dive in. The strategy I discovered for creating a product with the potential to attract more customers and boost sales involve combining design from top-performing niches to create one product. This approach increases your product visibility when customers search for these different niches. Based on my research, I identified 3 design niches that can be easily combined into one product. The first is watercolor design, which have a high search volume and generates significant revenue. The second is floral design, which also has an impressive sales record similar to watercolor design. Lastly, travel themed designs has produced products with significant sales figure. Given that people travel frequently, products featuring travel designs has the potential to sell quickly. Design combinations like these are more likely to sell fast as Clipart designs because they can be used for multiple purposes. All these insights we gather using Alura, an external Etsy analyzer tool. You can follow along by clicking the link in the description. Now, if you search for watercolor, floral, travel, Clipart design, you can get an idea of what sellers are already offering with this design combination. This gives us the inspiration of how to craft our design. And if you examine these listings, you notice the prices are lower because most sellers only offer them as digital files. However, we'll be offering our design in 2 formats, both digital and physical products, allowing us to price the physical products higher. This approach enables us to double our revenue with just one design. To sell this as physical products, there is no need to keep an inventory. This is where print on demand comes in. One of the best platforms for this is Printify, which offers popular white label products that you can easily print your design on. With its seamless integration with Etsy, you can simply select a product, upload your design, and have it automatically listed in your Etsy shop. When a customer purchases a product, Printify takes care of everything from printing to shipping. Later in the video, I'll guide you through the setup process, but for now, let's dive into the design process. To create a high quality designs like this, we need an AI platform that delivers top-notch results. And I found 2 platforms for this purpose. The idea is to generate the images using both platforms, and then you decide which one produces the best result. The first platform is Kido AI, which you can access by starting a new project. For this design, we set the aspect ratio to 1:1 and adjust the DPI to 300. Next, you select the AI tool. When it comes to creating prompts for this design, I usually keep them simple like this. In a white background, which happen to be the customization of the prompt, then the subject, and finally the style. But for the fact that Kido AI has a Clipart style features, I'll only paste the subject in the prompt box, and this was the result I got from Kido. The second platform is Ideogram. To generate the prompt, I'll paste it here, then adjust the aspect ratio and switch the version to 2.0. I'll leave the render style on auto, and after clicking generate, this is the result I got. Now, looking at this result side by side, which did you think produced a better outcome? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, this is just one prompt example. Imagine having access to 100 prompts that can help you to quickly launch your business. The link is in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now that we've generated these images, the next step is to prepare them for Printify to make them print ready. But first, let's upscale the images to ensure they won't appear pixelated when printed. I usually use Let's Enhance, which offers the option to upscale from 4K to 16K resolution. Now that we have the images upscaled, let's move on to making them print ready with Printify. After creating an account on Printify, you link your Etsy store by clicking on Add Store. Then under Home and Living, we select mug as a physical product. Why? Because these designs are a great fit for this product, and mug's designs have proven to generate good revenue on Etsy. Next, we choose the mug with the bestseller tag and click on Start Designing. After clicking the plus sign, import your design and place it on each side of the frame so it appears on both sides of the mug. And you can also add text to your design to make it more eye-catchy. Once you're done, Printify will generate a default thumbnail, title, and description. However, you can create more attractive thumbnail using tools like Canva or Kido to search for mockups. To create an attractive title, compelling description, and searchable tags, I have a link to a video that explains the process in details. Once everything is complete, click Upload, and the product will be added to your Etsy shop. Now, to sell this as digital products, I also have a link in the description to a video where I go in depth on this topic. And with everything covered, I hope this video has shown you how to double your revenue with both physical and digital products on Etsy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.